Hi dear friends, today I am going to show my 2 years old pomegranate farm. Here you can see some plants are 18 months and some plants are 2 years and above, little above. Yeah, see the growth is so good since we followed natural farming methods, and here you can see the result after 2 years and then after 18 months some plants, as I mentioned. And then recently we actually removed all the flowerings, and this is not the ideal time to leave for the crop, so it takes another couple of months, probably June July is the ideal time to leave for the crop. So here you can see, yes, almost every alternate week and every couple of months we are actually spending some money to even the controlling the flowering, unwanted flowering currently. So we are trying to remove, and here you can see some plants are short. The short ones, are especially 18 months old and 18 and even 16 months. What was happened due to heavy rainfall, some of the plants actually broken, and some of the plants actually fell down. So we wanted to again grow, so we just put them some stand, and it took some time to grow and align with the again 2 years plants. So here you can see the flowering wise, yes, flowering wise, it's coming very good. I could see at more than 60-70 flowers, can't even count. I think that's more than that. See, and yeah, here the plants are very good, the growth especially. And then same time you can see the number of stems, right? Almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So it's basically if you have if any plant has more than 5 6, and it's very good. And initially we thought of having 2 to 3 stems, but some plants were given very good now stems, so we don't want to cut them. So we just wanted to see, and many recommendations from people like 4 to 5 or 3 to 4. So here you can see some plants again having 4 to 5, and this has many flowers. Yeah, so here you can see the complete farm from here. Yeah, very good, right? You can see, and the problem is here it's too windy, and here you can see the some of the branches were actually falling down, and we are trying to even we have a plan to tie with the poles, and we are planning to arrange some poles, maybe like bamboo ones or iron poles. We are trying to plan down again, give some foundation, then we will align all the branches. Maybe it's not going to happen now, maybe it takes another couple of months. Probably I will also show you in my next video, maybe after some time. Yeah, so how we can tie. Now the plants almost grown more than 6 feet above from ground level, like you see here. Yeah, and also going forward we were thinking to have 2 lines of the irrigation, the drip pipes especially to water flow. And yeah, right now we don't have any concerns, but since we're expected some rains here during this May June, then after maybe November December or maybe sometime, so you would like to think. Yeah, so that's all about they almost like form. So here you see the basically where we prepare the Jeevamrut, all the stuff. Here currently no Jeevamrut available. We have another set of drums, the storage tanks in the other area. Yeah. Here again I would like to show the plants are not grown properly. Some areas especially where we have the huge water flow, the rainy season. So maybe the soil might have become very sandy. So yeah, here the place right now what you see here is it's kind of not so good soil. So we are trying to make it so strong. Yeah. Okay. So far okay. So yeah. And this is again. It's actually a Dashaparni Kashayam. It's made up with 10 leaves, 10 different leaves, and then cow dung, cow urine, then other stuff we added, and we now it's kind of again a little bit grinded leaves to get. Yeah, and again here you can see the plant called different plant. It's basically in Telugu Atta Kodalu, or maybe some other name. So where we use to develop some kashayam. So yeah, that's all about this video I wanted to show. Yeah, thank you.